welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to end up taking off the police badging off the side of the Explorer, and it's like 9,000 degrees outside, so hopefully we can find a shady spot or drink plenty of water while trying it. Whenever we get that all cut up and done, we're eventually going to, I know I've got some parts in the 2015, the leftover Explorer. Might end up considering selling this when we get it all said and done. So if you guys are interested, definitely leave a comment down below. And if you're interested in 2013 Ford Explorer, I mean, you've seen all the videos, everything's wrong with it, it's getting fixed right here before your eyes, and my channel may end up growing. Our channel, we're a team, might end up growing to something bigger, and then you might have a piece of history, but let's go ahead and dive into it.
Use WD-40, get the gallon version because it's cheaper. Just get yourself a spray bottle, and let's apply it. That's what I call a spit shine. It turned out really nice. So just peel your stickers off. Make sure to let the WD-40 soak really well. Like this side, I mean, that's just dirt and debris left over there. But you spray on your WD-40, make sure to let it sit for maybe 20 minutes or so. And you know, if it's hot summer something like this and dries out, just reapply it. Or if you have a WD-40 rag, just go back over it. But I just kept spraying it. It soaks into that sticky backing stuff, and you can see it because it turns real translucent when you're up close to it. And once it does, you just take that, you know, gift card or credit card and you slide through it. It helps you use the tip of your fingers, press real hard. Once you slide through it, you'll see that stuff just pile right up. But that turned out nice. Now that we got this part done, I'm gonna go by a local junkyard in the morning and see, I think they got a 2014 sitting out there, and see if I can get a passenger side mirror for this thing, because you know, eBay and Facebook, it's a weird place. People don't respond and they don't really want to sell parts, but I'm gonna go local and see what I can find for this thing. Man, it's a crispy one out here today, boys and girls. But here's the Ford Explorer that we got the passenger side mirror off of. It looks a little rough, but I mean, maybe they'll cut us a deal because it's in rough shape. That way, if we have something in the meantime, I'm gonna try to get this handle off here so we could use that. Let's get it in. Alright, so now we can go in here, switch it. Let's see. It works. It doesn't look pretty, but man, it works. So now we can at least see on the passenger side. That is awesome. One step closer to being finalized. Worst case scenario, we could go back in a couple of days and see if they happen to get another one of these. I think they're kind of a high commodity right now. We'll check it out though. So it's actually just a couple of days later, but we're back at it. Got the mirror completely installed on the passenger side here, and we've definitely, I mean, it's got its pros and cons. It works. It's not pretty, but I mean, we'll take it for now. It allows us to see on the passenger side. It keeps it a lot more safe, getting in and off the highway and all that junk. So definitely, I appreciate you guys sticking around, watching the end of this video. This thing's really cool. It's been a lot of fun. All-wheel drive has a lot of power, a lot more than you'd realize, because when you step on it, it throws you back just a little bit. Yeah, I appreciate you guys watching the video and this whole series to the end. If you enjoyed this, please consider hitting subscribe. Don't forget to smash that like button. You could also hit the bell notification so you get updates when there's new videos, because after this, I'm planning on doing something else. Not sure if it's going to happen yet, but looking forward to it. And hope you guys are there to check it out with me, okay?